We are on super long bike ride today. We're gonna go toward the casino, then we're gonna cut left and go past the police station and go past the sewage plant and down the trails all the way back home. It's gonna be a long one and he's already looking tired. We'll see. We'll go really slow. We'll rest. Pup is really lollygagging today. Every couple feet he has to sniff. Didn't he chase some dogs for a long time? Oh my gosh, this boy. I don't know if you want to go on him any more bike rides. Thank God the season's over. But I always enjoy our bike rides, Pup. This is the big fields heading into LCO territory. There's the casino right over there to my right. A little track right there. This beautiful field. And we're gonna be taking a left up here and skirting this field up to the police department area. Hump up. Nice day for it. Oh, more stuff to sniff. Of course. Always stuff to sniff. You'll take a pee again, aren't you? For the 20th time. Now we have to take the ATV road that goes that way, and there's been a lot of them. There's already some that just went through over there, see? Hopefully they don't dust us up with our... Okay, Pup, you ready? Got the whole last leg to go through the woods. Not even done with this one yet. Let's go! Oh, I got a four-wheeler coming now. I have to get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out. Come on, Pup. Trying to pop up. Dix. Just onto the trail past. There's the LCO police station and Public Works right there. This is our last leg of our adventure. A bunch of woods all the way back to Round Lake School Road. You ready for this, Pup? And we are back into the woods. We just left the outside world back there. Another four-wheeler went by us. These ones are at least friendly and waved, and we're slow. Here we go. Oh, it smells beautiful in here. It smells just like, a lumber mill or something, you know? And this is lumber, and it's lumber in the wild. But it's so beautiful. I forgot to set my camera on wide angle, so. What, you find some water? Of course you did. Pup. Let's widen this out. I get to see the majesty of these woods. It's so beautiful. That chipmunk. Hi, boy. We got some more trail to go, boy. Come on. That chipmunk is protecting his territory over there. He's like, get out of here, strangers. Oh, another lick of the puddle. Poor guy was on a puddle shortage for a while. Okay, let me switch so I have brakes. Yeehaw, Pup. Oh, it smells awesome out here today. Just naturey-ness stuff. It is beautiful out here. Oh my gosh, I can't get over it. Hump. Uh-oh. See that, Pup? Whew. Here comes some more. Here comes some more. Here comes some more. Watch out. for the final little stretch of our ride. Coming upon Ishquandam now. Keep waiting after that. It's a good ride.